Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, itutuloy natin yung ating series on how to solve age problems. And this video is the fifth of the series. So sa video na to, basahin natin yung ating problem. Philip is twice as old as Ben. If 5 is subtracted from Philip's age and 10 is added to Ben's age, then their ages will be equal. How old are both of them? So medyo madali itong problem na to because dinidescribe lang yung one point in time, yung present, so wala siyang past or future. So medyo mas madali ito dun sa mga nakaraang 3 videos natin. So let's start. So mas matanda si Philip, kasi mas twice siya na mas older. O twice as old siya kay Ben. And if Ben is, for example, 8 years old, then Philip would be twice his age, which is equal to 16, So since hindi pa naman natin alam, we can let x be the age of Ben, Since twice na mas matanda si Philip, then Philip's age would be 2x, Whatever the age of Ben times 2. So this is the age of Philip, Okay? And ano sabi? If 5 is subtracted from Philip's age, so mag-minus tayo ng 5 dito, If 5 is subtracted from Philip's age and 10 is added to Ben's age, so ito yung age ni Ben, x plus 10. Then, sabi, their ages will be equal. So magiging equal yung ages nila. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag equal sila, di pwede natin silang equate, Ibig sabihin, age of, siguro ituloy na natin dito from here. So magiging the age of Philip minus 5 is equal to the age of Ben plus 10, And magma-minus tayo ng x on both sides, para matanggal yung x dito. So matitira na lang is 2x minus x is x, and then bring down 5 equals, mawawala na ito, So x minus x is 0, matitira na lang dito 10. And para naman matanggal tong 5, we add 5 on both sides. So negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So x na lang matitira dito. And dito, 15, So ang age ni Ben ay 15. At ang age ni Philip ay twice 15 or 30, Okay? 30 siya kasi twice as old siya. Now, pwede natin i-check, Sabi niya, 15 si Ben at si Philip ay 30. Sabi niya, pag mag-minus 5 na tayo sa age ni Ben, if 5 is subtracted from Philip's age. So mag-minus tayo ng 5 from Philip. And added 10 to Ben's age, their ages will be equal. So magiging 15 plus 10 is 25. And 30 minus 5 is also 25. So tama, nag-equal silang dalawa, So if 5 is subtracted from Philip's age and 10 is added to Ben's age, then their ages will be equal. So ibig sabihin nito, dahil nag-equal silang dalawa, tama yung sagot natin dito, yung 15 and 30. Okay, so maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.